Let's take a blast to the past and revisit 1954, a golden year for homemakers around the globe. Tupperware introduced the iconic burping seal ring. What made it special? Well, the airtight seal revolutionized food storage, keeping leftovers fresher for longer. Just press the center and listen for the burp, a magical sound for any kitchen wizard of the era. This innovation wasn't just about preserving food, it was about convenience, kicking off Tupperware parties and even empowering women as sales ambassadors. Today, we see it as a classic reminder of mid-century ingenuity in every vintage kitchenware collection.